Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our AI agent-powered customer service template does. You can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the AI agent-powered customer service option. This flow allows you to handle general inquiries using an AI agent that pulls information from your website, uploaded documents, and Google. If the chatbot can't answer a question, it will forward the query to a human support solution you specify. It's a great tool for automating customer support without needing API integrations or handling order details. There's a full video on how to create this flow linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.